ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 3 ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಎರಡನೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು ಮತ್ತು ಮೂರನೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಇದೇನು ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Now here see the diagram. Let x, y, z axis. Now there are two lines, L1 BL line passing through the horizon, L2 is also line passing through the horizon. As you know that equation of line L1 is R is equal to A1 plus lambda B1, first theorem 1 prakara, and line L2 R is equal to A2 plus mu B2. These two lines passing through the horizon. Now the question is to find angle between these two lines. Now here let theta be the angle between these two lines. As you know that in vector algebra, angle between two lines is given by the formula cos theta is equal to A dot B divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Same formula here you can apply here. Now here instead of A and B, the vectors are B1 and B2 are the vectors. So the Cartesian form of angle between two lines, remember cos theta is equal to modulus of B1 dot B2 divided by magnitude of B1 into magnitude of B2. This is vector form of angle between two lines. Remember that formula. No proof, only remember that formula only. Whereas in Cartesian form, what is angle between two lines? Cartesian formula kottaga. Now you know that this is vector equation of line. What is Cartesian equation of line? You know what is that? X minus x1 divided by a1 is equal to y minus y1 divided by b1 is equal to z minus z1 divided by c1. This is first line. And second line is x minus x2 divided by a2, y minus y2 divided by b2, z minus z2 divided by c. This is equation 2. These two are Cartesian form of line. Now here b1 and b2 are the vectors. Now here b1 is equal to b1 vector is a1 I cap plus b1 j cap plus c1 k cap. What is b2 vector? a2 I cap plus b2 j cap plus c2 k cap. Now let theta be the angle between these two lines. Then cos theta is equal to modulus of b1 dot b2. Definition of dot product, multiplying the corresponding elements. What is that? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by magnitude of b1 under root of magnitude of b1 value root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into magnitude of b2 is root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. This is Cartesian form of angle between two lines, that is vector form of angle between two lines. Most important, remember only formula. Okay, note that after finding the angle, suppose if angle theta value is 90 degree, solve ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ angle theta 90 degree ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ then the lines are, remember, perpendicular. That is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 become 0. That is dot product is equal to 0. Remember. Whereas after solving the cos theta value, if a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2, if all terms are equal, then the lines are parallel. Remember, the lines are parallel. ಯಾವಾಗ parallel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. Then the lines are parallel. if A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0, then the lines are perpendicular. Remember these two notes. Okay. Now by using those two formula, that is vector form and Cartesian form, using those two formula, either you can apply vector form or Cartesian form. ನಿಮಗೆ Cartesian form of line ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, you can apply that formula. Vector form ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, you can apply this formula. Okay, using those two things to solve some simple problems. Okay. Look here, by using angle between two lines, find the angle between two lines. First problem, r is equal to vector r is equal to 3i plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda of I plus 2j plus 2k, and r is equal to 5i minus 2j plus mu, another constant. Instead of lambda, here mu is also constant, mu into 3i plus 2j plus 6k. Now how to solve? Now here given data, first problem, vector r is equal to 3i plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda into I plus 2j plus 2k. Okay, this is first line. Second line is r is equal to 5i minus 2j plus mu into 3i plus 2j plus 6. This is equation. Now observe this. Clearly these two are vector form. Now in for first line it is in the form r is equal to a1 plus lambda b1, and second line r is equal to a2 plus mu into b2. Now here for line 1 b1 vector is equal to, correct, I plus 2j plus 2k, and for line 2 b2 is equal to, vector b2 is 3i plus 2j plus 6k. Now we got two vectors. Now the question is angle between two lines. You know the formula, cos theta is equal to modulus of b1 dot b2 divided by magnitude of b1 into magnitude of b2, that equals b1 dot b2, definition of dot product, multiplying the corresponding element, coefficient of I 1, here in vector b2 coefficient of I 3, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 coefficient of j2 in vector b1, coefficient of j is also 2 in vector b2, coefficient of k in vector b1 2, coefficient of k in vector b2 6, divided by magnitude of b1 formula under root of coefficient of I1 1 square 1, coefficient of j2 2 square 4, coefficient of k2 again 2 square 4, into magnitude of b2 coefficient of I3 3 square 9, coefficient of j2 2 square 4, coefficient of k6 6 square 36. Then simplify, that is cos theta is equal to modulus of 1 into 3 3, 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, divided by square root of 9 here into square root of 49, that equals 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 12 19, square root of 9 is 3 into square root of 49 is 7. So that cos theta, so here first problem ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, cos theta is equal to 19 by 21, angle theta is equal to cos inverse of 19 by 21. Okay, ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ, Cartesian form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಏನಿದೆ, x plus 3 divided by 3 is equal to y minus 1 divided by 5 is equal to z plus 3 divided by 4, equation 1. Second equation, x plus 1 divided by 1 is equal to y minus 4 divided by 1 is equal to z minus 5 divided by 2. Before solving angle between two lines, first you have to identify whether these two lines are in Cartesian form or not. Cartesian form ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು, x minus x1 divided by a1, y minus y1 divided by b1, z minus z1 divided by c1. Okay, first line ಇದೆ. Second line check ಮಾಡಿ, again x minus x1 by a2, x y minus y2 by b2, z minus z2 by c2. Okay, both are in Cartesian form. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, coefficient of x y z always 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. more than 1 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1. So that for line 1, a1 value 3, b1 value 5, c1 value 4. Similarly for line 2, a2 value 1, b2 value 1, c2 value is 2. Therefore, angle between two lines, formula cos theta is equal to Cartesian form formula. What is that? b1 dot b2. Definition of b1 dot b2 is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by magnitude of b1 is nothing but under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into magnitude of b2 under root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. This is Cartesian form formula. That equals value substitute ಮಾಡಿ. a1 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3, a2 1, b1 5, b2 1, c1 4, c2 2 divided by root of a1 square 3 square 9 plus b1 square 5 square 25, c1 square 4 square 16 into root of a2 square 1 square 1, b2 square 1 square 1, c2 square 2 square 4. Simplify. 1 into 3, 3 plus 5 plus 8 divided by root 99 plus 25 plus 16, that is root 50 into root 6. That equals 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 8 16 divided by root 50. 50 can be written as 25 into 2, but root 25 is 5 root 2 into root 6. Now that is equal to modulus of 16 by 5 into root 2. Root 6 can be written as root 2 into root 3. Baribola? Okay. Now that is cos theta is equal to 16 divided by 5 root 2 into root 2, 2 into root 3. 2 ones are 2 8s are. That is 8 divided by 5 root 3 is the value of cos theta. Therefore, angle theta is equal to cos inverse of 8 by 5 root 3. Clear? Okay. Next, third problem. Third problem. ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ, x plus 1 divided by 1 is equal to 2y minus 3 divided by 3 is equal to z minus 6 divided by 2. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, whether that first line is it in the form of Cartesian equation of line? No, because coefficient of x y z always 1. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, y coefficient 2 ಇದೆ. So first we have to convert it. How to convert first one? Okay, x plus 1 divided by 1. Okay, here coefficient of y 2. So that take 2 common. Y minus 3 by 2 divided by 3 is equal to z minus 6 divided by 2. ಈ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ y coefficient 2 ಇದೆ. Eliminate 2. How to write? x plus 1 divided by 1. 2 eliminate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, divide by 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? y minus 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 is equal to z minus 6 divided by 2. Now clearly it is in the form x minus x1 divided by a1, y minus y1 divided by b1, z minus z1 divided by c1. Now here a1 value 1, b1 value 3 by 2, c1 value 2. ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೋಡದೆ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ a1 b1 c1 ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು. y x y z ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಸಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. x minus 4 divided by 3, y plus 3 divided by minus 2, z minus 5 divided by 0. Clearly it is in Cartesian form. That is, what is a2 value? Here a2 value 3, a2 is equal to 3. Then b2 value minus 2, c2 value 0. Now the question, to find the angle between two lines. What is the formula? Cos theta is equal to modulus of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus C1 C2 divided by under root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Value substitute matter 1. A1 is today 1. What is A2? 3. B1 value 3 by 2. B2 value minus 2. C1 value 2. C2 value 0. Divided by under root of A1 square 1 square 1, B1 square, that is B1 square, 3 by 2 square 9 by 4, C1 square 4 into root of A2 square 3 square 9 minus 2 square 4, C2 value 0 square is 0. 2 get cancelled, that is 1 into 3 3 plus into minus minus 3, 2 into 0 0 divided by root of 1 plus 4, 5 plus 9 by 4 into root 9 plus 4 is 30 plus 3 minus 3 cancel. So that cos theta is equal to numerator to 0. 0 divided by any number 0. So cos theta 0 or angle theta is how much? 90 degree. You know the note. If angle theta is 90 degree, if we conclude that two lines are what? Perpendicular. Remember, angle theta is 90 degree, then hence two lines are perpendicular. Clear? Oh. Next problem. It is only show that the lines passing through the points 1 minus 1 2, 3 4 minus 2 is perpendicular to the line passing through another 2 points 0 3 2 3 5 6. ನೋಡಿ 4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. How to solve? Now take first point denoted by A. Let A is the point 1 minus 1, B be a point 3 4 minus 2, C be a point 0 3 2, and D be a point 3 5 6. Very simple problem. Show that the line passing through the points AB, first line AB, is perpendicular to the line passing through another 2 points CD. It means to prove that line AB is perpendicular to line CD. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ note number 1, if two lines are perpendicular, condition A dot B is equal to 0, angle theta become 90 degree, that is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? dot would become 0. ಈಗ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? Now here A is the point 1 minus 1 2, B is the point 3 4 minus 2. This is first point x1 y1 z1. This is second point x2 y2 z2. Now to find AB. Now you know that direction ratios of line AB are. What is the formula? Direction ratios of line between 2 points x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. That equals x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1, y2 minus y1, 4 minus y1 is minus 1, z2 minus z1, z2 is minus 2, minus, that is 3 minus 1 2, 4 minus of minus plus 1, that is 5, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. This is called as A1 B1 C1. We got the point. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ to find direction ratios of line CD are same formula. Okay. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This is x1 y1 z1, that is x2 y2 z2. x2 minus x1, 3 minus 0, y2 minus y1, 5 minus 3, z2 minus z1, 6 minus, that equals 3 minus 0 3, 5 minus 3 2, 6 minus 2 4. This is called as A2 B2 C2. Now point should go here. Therefore you know that angle between the line formula cos theta is equal to modulus of A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by under root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Substituting the value A1 A2, A1 is 2, A2 is 3. plus B1 B2 5 into 2 plus C1 C2 minus 4 into plus 4 divided by under root of A1 square 2 square 4 B1 square 5 square 25 C1 square minus 4 square 16 into root of A2 square 3 square 9 B2 square 4 C2 square 16. Then further simplify. Cos theta is equal to modulus of 2 3s are 6, 5 2s are 10, minus 16 divided by root 25, 16 plus 4, 20 plus 25, 45 into root 16 plus 4, 20 plus 9, 29. That is cos theta is equal to 6 plus 10, 16. 16 minus 16, 0. 0 divided by any number? 0. Cos theta value 0 or the angle theta is 90 degree. If angle theta 90 degree, hence the line AB is perpendicular to line CD. Perpendicular होगा theta become 90 degree. Okay. Next problem. If the coordinates of 4 points A, B, C, D, B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, minus 4, 3, minus 6 and 2, 9, 2 respectively. Then find the angle between the line AB and the line CD. In previous problem, points. So same type. Now here given data, A is the point 1, 2, 3. B be a point 4, 5, 7. C be a point minus 4, 3, minus 6. And D be a point 2, 9, 2. First, to find direction ratios of line AB. You know the formula. Direction ratios of line AB are previous problem solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ. This is x1 minus z1, that is x2 y2 z2, that is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z2. That is equal to substitute ಮಾಡಿ 4 minus 1, y2 minus y1, 5 minus 2, z2 minus z1, 7 minus 3. That equals 3, 3, 4. That is called it as A1, B1, C1. This is direction ratios of line A. Similarly, to find direction ratios of line CD, same formula. This is x1, y1, z1. That is x2, y2, z2. x2 minus x1, 2 minus of minus 4. y2 minus y1, 9 minus 3. z2 minus z1, that is 2 minus of minus 6. That equals minus 6 minus plus 4, 2 plus 4, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. Minus 6 minus plus 6, 2 plus 6, 8. That is called it as A2, B2, C. We got two values. Therefore, angle between two lines formula cos theta is equal to modulus of A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 divided by under root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. That equals A1, A2. A1 is 3, A2 is 6. B1, B2. B1 is 3, B2 is 6. C1, C2. C1 is 4, C2 is 8. Divided by root of A1 square, 3 square 9, again 3 square 9, 4 square 16, into root of 6 square 36, B2 square 6 square 36, C2 square 8 square 64. Then simplify. Cos theta is equal to modulus of 6 3s are 18, again 6 3s are 18, 4 8s are 32, divided by root of 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 9, 34, into root of 36 plus 64, 100, then plus 36, 136. That equals 18 plus 18, 36 plus 32, 68, divided by root 34 into root 136 can be written as 4 into 34 because 434 is 136. that equals 68 divided by square root of 4 is 2 into root 34 into root 34. That is modulus of 68 divided by 2 root 34 into root 34 value 34. That is modulus of 68 divided by 34 to some 68. Both the term get cancelled. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು cos theta is equal to 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ angle theta is 0 degree. If angle theta 0 degree, we conclude that hence line AB is parallel to line CD. Nodri theta value 0 degree ittu, those two lines are parallel. Theta value 90 degree ittu, those two lines are perpendicular. Okay? Okay, next problem. Nodri ide show that the three lines with the direction cosines 12 by 13 minus 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13 4 by 13, 12 by 13, 3 by 13 and 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13, 12 by 13 are mutually perpendicular to each other. Three direction cosines are given. To prove that these three lines are mutually perpendicular to each other, the word mutually perpendicular means first line is perpendicular to second line, second line is perpendicular to third line, and third line is perpendicular to first line. Now here given data, three direction cosines. You know that direction cosines are denoted by L, M, N. First video direction cosines denoted by L, M, N. L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, N is equal to cos gamma. Now here three direction cosines are given. Now you take instead of L by taking L1 is given 12 by 13, M1 is given minus 3 by 13, N1 is given minus 4 by 13. Next second one, L2 is equal to 4 by 13, M2 is equal to 12 by 13 and N2 is equal to 3 by 13. Similarly, third line, L3 is equal to 3 by 13, M3 is equal to minus 4 by 13, N3 is equal to 12 by 13. Now show that these three lines are mutually perpendicular. You know the note. Note number 1. If two lines are perpendicular, theta value 90 degree. Condition A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Instead of A1 B1 C1 here L1 M1 N1 A1 B1 C1 बदली ಏನಿದೆ L1 M1 N1 ಇದೆ A2 B2 C2 ಬದಲಿ L2 M2 N2. Now to prove that A1 B1 here L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು 0 ಯಾಕೆ perpendicular condition ಏನಿದೆ L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to 0. Okay, to find one by one. Now first we take L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to substitute ಮಾಡ್ತಾ L1 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 12 by 13, L2 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 4 by 13 plus M1 minus 3 by 13 ಹೌದಾ M2 12 by 13 plus N1 minus 4 by 13 N2 3 by 13. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 12 into 4 48, 13 into 13 169. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ plus into minus minus 12 3s are 36 by 169 plus into minus minus 4 3s are 12 by 169. LCM 169. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 48 minus 36 minus 12. 48 minus 36 12. 12 minus 12 0 divided by 169. 0 by any number 0. So L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N2 is equal to 0. It means what? First line is perpendicular to second line. Next, take second and third. ಯಾವುದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು L2 L3 plus M2 M3 plus N2 N3 is equal to what is L2 4 by 13, L3 3 by 13 plus M2 12 by 13, M3 minus 4 by 13, N2 3 by 13, N3 12 by 13. Solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 3s are 12, 13 13s are 169. plus into minus minus 12 4s are 48 by 169 plus 12 3s are 36 by 169 LCM 169 होगा 12 minus 48 plus 36 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 12 minus 48 minus 36 plus 36 0 divided by 169 that is 0 again second line is perpendicular to third line one more ಯಾವುದು third line and first line also L1 L3 plus M1 M3 plus N1 N3 is equal to L1 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 12 by 13 L3 value 3 by 13 M1 value minus 3 by 13 M3 value minus 4 by 13 plus N1 value minus 4 by 13 N3 value 12 by 13 ಇದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ that is equal to 12 3s are 36 by 169 minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12 by 169 plus into minus minus 12 4s are 48 by 169 LCM 169 numerator 36 plus 12 minus 48 is equal to 36 plus 12 48 minus 48 0 divided by 116 that is 0 again 0 means what first line is perpendicular to third line ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ the word mutually perpendicular ಅಂದಾಗ ಮೂರು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ first line is perpendicular to second line is perpendicular to third line and third line is perpendicular to first line hence the three lines are mutually perpendicular mutually ಅಂದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕೆ ಇದ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡು 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಬಟ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ಟು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಆಲ್ ತ್ರೀ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಫ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ x minus 1 divided by minus 3 y minus 2 divided by 2k z minus 3 divided by 2 and x minus 1 divided by 3k is equal to y minus 1 divided by 1 is equal to z minus 6 divided by 5 minus 5 are perpendicular ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ perpendicular ಇದ್ದಾಗ to find the value of k what is the value of k now given data before solving that problem first you have to identify whether those two lines are in Cartesian form or not Cartesian form ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು x minus x1 divided by a1 is equal to y minus y1 divided by b1 is equal to z minus z1 divided by c1 similarly x minus x2 divided by a2 y minus y2 divided by b2 z minus z2 divided by c2 coefficient of x y z always 1 first term ಅಲ್ಲಿ x y z ಇರಬೇಕು ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರಬಾರದು ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ rearrange but here these two lines are in Cartesian form x minus 1 divided by minus 3 y minus 2 divided by 2k is equal to z minus 3 divided by 2 and line 2 x minus 1 divided by 3k y minus 1 divided by 1 z minus 6 divided by minus 1 both the lines are in Cartesian form now here for line 1 x minus x1 by a1 value minus 3 b1 value 2k c1 value 2 for line 2 a2 value 3k b2 value 1 c2 value minus 1 okay since ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು since these two lines are perpendicular you know the condition you know the note if two lines are perpendicular theta is equal to 90 degree condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0 substituting the values what is a1 minus 3 a2 3k what is b1 2k b2 1 what is c1 2 c2 minus 5 is equal to 0 simplify minus 9k plus 2k plus into minus 10 is equal to 0 So that minus 9k plus 2k minus 7k minus 10 is equal to 0, or minus 7k is equal to 10. Therefore, k is equal to, divide by minus 7, 10 by minus 7. This is the value of k. Clear? Okay. Yes, last problem in angle between two lines. No, really, same question. In previous problem, show that if the lines 1 minus x divided by 3 is equal to 7y minus 14 divided by 2p is equal to z minus 3 divided by 2, and 7 minus 7x by 3p is equal to y minus 5 divided by 1 is equal to 6 minus z divided by 5 are perpendicular, then find the value of p. ನೋಡಿ p value find out ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಪೂರ್ವದಲ್ಲೇ first you have to identify whether given lines are in Cartesian form or not. Cartesian form ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು, first term x ಇರಬೇಕು, coefficient of x y z ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೋಡಿ, first term x ಇಲ್ಲ, second term ಇದೆ, ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು minus of x minus 1 divided by 3, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ y coefficient 7 ಇದೆ. So that takes 7 common, y minus 2 divided by 2p. This is okay. Z minus 3 divided by 2. This Cartesian form convert anta illa agilla. So how to write? X minus 1 divided by minus 3. 7 here marku. Eliminate 7. What can you do? Divide by 7. Y minus 2 divided by 2p by 7. Multiply 1 7 goes to numerator. Hoda? Is equal to z minus 3 by 2. ಈಗ observe ಮಾಡಿ, clearly it is in the form x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z1 by c1. Here a1 value minus 3, b1 value 2p by 7, c1 value 2. Similarly second line check ಮಾಡಿ, 7 minus 7x ಇದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ x ಇರಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? 7 minus 7x ಇದೆ, coefficient of x more than 1 ಇದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, minus 7 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ. minus 7 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, x minus 1, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? divided by 3p. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದೇ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, minus 7x ಆಯ್ತಾ, minus into minus plus 7 into 1 7. Okay. Second term okay, y minus 5 by 1. Third term ಕೂಡ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಮೊದಲನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ z ಬರಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ minus of z minus 6 by 5 ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಸಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Now eliminate minus 7. What can you do? Divide by minus 7. X minus 1 by 3p by minus 7. If you take multiplication, that minus 7 goes to numerator is equal to y minus 5 by 1 is equal to z minus 6 by minus 5. Now clearly it is in the form x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y2 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 by c2. Here a2 value minus 3p by 7, b2 value 1, c2 value minus 5. Okay, now since these two lines are perpendicular, since the lines are perpendicular, you know the note, if the lines are perpendicular condition, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Substituting the value, a1 value minus 3, a2 value minus 3p by 7, okay, plus b1 value is 2p by 7, b2 value 1, c1 value 2, c2 value minus 5 is equal to 0. Simplify, minus into minus plus 3 into 3, 9p by 7 plus 2p by 7 plus into minus minus 5 to the 10 by 1 is equal to 0. Among these three, take the LCM. LCM is 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are 1 7 are. That is 9p plus 2p. 10 into 7 70 is equal to 0. 9p plus 2p. 11p minus 70 is equal to cross multiply. 7 into 0. 0. So that 11p is equal to 70 divided by 11. P is equal to 70 divided by 11 is the answer. Given 1 to 3. अब ನೋಡೋದೇಲ್ಲ direct a1 b1 c1 you denominator value geometry. First we have to identify whether given data is it in the form of Cartesian form or not. If it is not in Cartesian form, first we have to convert Cartesian form, then apply the condition. Okay, this completes angle between two lines.